Master Resell Rights, or MRR products, are digital goods like ebooks, software, or videos that you can buy along with the rights to resell them to others. The main allure of MRR products is that once purchased, you can sell them multiple times while retaining 100% of the profits. This presents a lucrative opportunity without the need for product creation or initial content development. Furthermore, MRR products can be used to enhance your digital offerings, draw in traffic by adding value to existing services or products, and build a robust digital inventory swiftly and cost-effectively. MRR licenses govern the rules under which you can resell a product. Typically, these include permissions to resell the product multiple times while retaining all earnings. However, MRR doesn't generally allow alteration of the core product or branding as your own. It's crucial to read and understand these licenses as they dictate how you can distribute the product, whether you can offer resale rights to your buyers, and other limitations. Understanding these terms ensures you operate within legal bounds and make the most of your investment without infringing on the original creator's rights. There are numerous online platforms where you can find MRR products. Popular websites like TradeBit, PLR products, and Master Resell Rights offer a vast range of digital products that come with resale rights. These platforms are user-friendly and categorize MRR goods by type, such as ebooks, software, videos, and templates, which makes it easier for buyers to find what they are looking for. Additionally, some niche forums and membership sites offer exclusive MRR products catering to specific interests. When selecting a platform, consider the variety, reputation, and support provided to ensure you're investing in valuable MRR products. Assessing the quality of an MRR product before purchase is crucial to ensure you're getting value for money and a product your customers will desire. Start by reading reviews and ratings from previous buyers to gauge general satisfaction. Check the product's age, as outdated digital products may be less appealing to buyers. Review any available product samples or demos to evaluate the content's relevance and quality. Additionally, consider the reputation of the seller or platform, as reputable sources are more likely to offer high-quality MRR products. Lastly, ensure the product fits well with your existing portfolio or business model. Purchasing MRR products is a straightforward process that begins by selecting the desired item from a digital marketplace. Once you've chosen the product, proceed to the checkout page where you'll often find multiple payment options, such as PayPal, credit cards, or even cryptocurrencies, depending on the platform. After payment, you should receive immediate access to download the product along with its MRR license. Ensure that you save a copy of the license for your records. Following these steps allows entrepreneurs to rapidly acquire and resell valuable digital assets, capitalizing on their market potential. After purchasing an MRR product, you can typically expect to receive an email confirmation that includes a download link or an attachment with the product files. Ensure your email address is correct at checkout to avoid any delivery issues. The downloaded files usually come in common formats like zip or RAR, containing the product and a license document. It's crucial to review the license agreement to understand your rights regarding the resale of the product. Store your downloaded files and the license in a secure and organized manner to facilitate easy access for future use and sales activities. Understanding your rights with MRR products is key to maximizing their potential without infringing on legal grounds. Generally, MRR allows you to resell the product to customers who can use it for their personal use. However, they cannot resell it further. It's important to read the specific license agreement, as some MRR products may allow modifications or even branding as your own. Remember, you cannot claim authorship of the original work unless explicitly permitted. Always check if the license restricts selling in certain markets or platforms to avoid potential legal issues and make the most out of your digital assets. Branding and customization are crucial for differentiating your MRR products in a competitive market. To begin, assess whether the MRR license permits modification of the product. If allowed, you can start by adding your company logo, adjusting the color scheme, or even rewriting parts to enhance the original content and make it resonate more with your brand's voice. Additionally, consider creating unique packaging or bundled offers, which can increase the perceived value. Utilizing professional editing tools or hiring designers can significantly elevate the product's appeal, making it a unique offering to your customers. Preparing an MRR product for resale involves several strategic steps. Firstly, create a compelling sales page that outlines the benefits and features of the product. This should include persuasive copy that highlights the value proposition and includes testimonials if available. Next, integrate an efficient payment system. Platforms like PayPal or Stripe offer straightforward solutions for handling transactions securely. Additionally, set up an automated delivery system, such as digital download links that become available immediately after payment. This ensures a smooth and professional customer experience, which can boost customer satisfaction and encourage repeat business. Setting the right price for your MRR products is crucial for maximizing profits while attracting customers. Begin by researching the market to understand the pricing range of similar products. Consider the perceived value of your product and try to position it competitively. Implement a tiered pricing strategy if possible, offering different versions of the product at various price points to appeal to a broader audience. Additionally, consider using psychological pricing tactics, such as pricing products just below a round number, like $19.99 instead of $20. Regularly review and adjust your pricing based on sales performance and customer feedback to remain competitive. Marketing your MRR products effectively requires a diverse strategy. Start by using SEO techniques to improve visibility on search engines. Employ social media platforms to create engaging content that highlights the benefits of your products. Email marketing can be particularly effective, allowing you to reach out directly to potential customers with offers and promotions. Consider using paid advertising for broader reach, tapping into platforms like Google Ads or Facebook Ads. Additionally, building partnerships with influencers or other businesses can help expand your market presence. Always track your marketing efforts to understand what works best and keep refining your approach. Providing excellent customer support is crucial for the success of your MRR products. Start by setting up a dedicated support channel, whether it's an email, phone line, or a live chat system. Make sure responses are timely and helpful to build trust and customer loyalty. Develop a comprehensive FAQ section on your website to address common queries and reduce the volume of direct support requests. For more complex issues, consider creating tutorial videos or detailed guides. Regularly train your support team on new products and updates to ensure they are knowledgeable and can handle customer inquiries effectively. Navigating the legal landscape is essential when dealing with MRR products. First, thoroughly understand the specific MRR license terms to ensure compliance in how you use and resell the product. It's important to recognize that violating these terms can lead to legal repercussions. Be aware of different copyright laws that apply in various countries where your customers might reside. Also, maintain clear records and documentation of all licenses and transactions as proof of legal acquisition and resale rights. Lastly, consult with a legal advisor familiar with digital product laws to safeguard your business against potential legal challenges. In conclusion, mastering the art of buying and selling MRR products involves understanding their licenses, evaluating their quality, setting them up for resale, and effectively marketing them. It's crucial to adhere to legal stipulations and provide excellent customer support to build a reputable business. We've navigated through each critical step today from purchase to profit. Your next steps should involve identifying potential MRR products that align with your business goals, setting clear strategies for marketing and customer support, and continuously learning about market changes to adapt your selling techniques effectively. Start today and expand your digital product business successfully.